If you look at this picture, right, do you think that he's standing like this? Do you think, not particularly slouching, but do you think his energy is a little bit...
Not smiling?
No, the energy is his body, his posture. Do you think, instead of being, hey, how you doing? Right, is a bit like this? I haven't given him any direction. I haven't told Michael what to do. And as we stand naturally, right, we stand like this. Some people, like I am, as a fairly carry my head low. Some people carry to the side. So it's up to you as the photographer to look through the lens and tell Michael what to do. Tell your subject what to do. So what you want to do this time, right, when I start shooting. So, what I want, the way I tell people is this. Think about putting it on a string. So you have the top of your head is elongated through the back of your neck, right? See the change straight away, right? So elongate the top. Now, this is particular with women, but also with men, right? Particularly with women, they'll do this. Shoulders back, makes people look too bubblicious, right? So it's tall, tight in the core, shoulders soft, but still staying tall, like a puppet on a string, yeah? So then we're tall. And this way you can move now. So, nice and friendly. I need to tell him what to do, okay? That's it. Cool. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So this time, change it completely. Turn around to your face and Lucy, please, mate. That's it. It's a bit too far. So he's got a bit too far around there. What's happened to his head, right? What's happened to his hair? He might not know that. I need to tell him.
Yeah.
Just pull your hair back like that. Fold your arms for me this time, please. Yeah? Weight on your back leg, one leg. And I want you to come round to me, head round me, slip it, hey, so what? Yeah? That's it. Perfect. Great. Swing your head a bit more towards me, please. That's it. Cool. That's it. This time, give me, no smiling for me. Change, go sinister. That's it. Yeah. Perfect. Smash it. That's it there. See the differences?
Yeah.
When I tell him what to do, Mike's an actor, right? He's used to responding to direction. It's what he's trained to do, right? In all his working life. So if I tell him what to do, he then can just, he can't do that. But often, if you don't tell people what to do, they're not sure what to do. Yeah, so you need to give them a bit of direction. Any comments from you, Michael, on that?
No, I think we do want to be given direction.
Smash it. Right. Okay, who's next?